Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How are you all? Hope everyone is doing well and healthy. So today I am going to present a few interesting facts of my home state Assam. Assam, situated along the length of the mighty Brahmaputra Valley, Assam is the biggest and most accessible of the northeast states in India. The charming ethnic people, unique aromatic cuisines, exotic dance form and the sprawling wildlife top its list of diverse attractions. Besides being a popular northeast state in India, Assam has many other things worth knowing. Here are some interesting facts about Assam. First, Assam's own state anthem, O Mor Apunar Desh, which means O my enduring country, is the state song or state anthem of Assam. It was written by Lokshinath Bezborua and it is considered one of his finest poems. In 1927, at a conference in Tezpur, it was officially adopted as a state anthem. Next, the triple celebration of Bihu. We all know that the major festival of this northeastern state is Bihu, but many are not aware that Assamese celebrate this Bihu thrice. There are three types of Bihu: Magh Bihu, which is in mid-January, Bohag Bihu, which is in mid-April, and Kati Bihu, which is in October. Apart from Bihu, Navratri is also celebrated with full enthusiasm in this state. Next, Assam's entry into India. After the Anglo-Burmese War of 1824 to 26, the British occupied the region of Assam, and that's how it became a prominent part of the Indian kingdom. Next, the World Heritage Sites. There are two UNESCO approved World Heritage Sites in Assam: Kaziranga National Park and Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. These sites are also home to many endangered species such as the wild water buffaloes, hooklock gibbon, one-horned rhino, etc. Next, India's longest river bridge, Bhupen Hazarika Setu. India's longest river bridge connects Assam with Arunachal Pradesh. It is 9.15 kilometers in length. Next, tea capital. Assam is the largest producer of tea in India. Interestingly, British first introduced tea plantations in Assam. One should definitely plan a trip to the lush green tea plantations and get mesmerized by it. Next, Asia's oldest oil field. The world's second oldest and Asia's oldest oil field is situated at Digboi, Assam. In fact, 1/4 of India's oil reserves are located in the Assam Arakan Basin. Next, world's biggest and smallest river island. Assam is home to world's biggest river island, that is Majuli, as well as world's smallest river island is Umananda. The river island Majuli is in the upper reaches of the river Brahmaputra, that is 200 km from Guwahati, while Umananda is in the midst of river Brahmaputra. A silky state. Assam is famous for its silks like Eri silk, white path silk and golden muga silk. These three types of silk are manufactured using worms that can survive only in Assam's climate. Swalkushi, a place near Guwahati, produces these silks in large quantity. Next, Witchcraft Village, a sleepy town named Mayang, located in the Morigao district, is famous for witchcraft and black magic. Astonishingly, the word Mayang is derived from a Sanskrit word Maya, which means illusion. Next, birds' suicidal point. Jatinga, a small village in the Borai Hills of Assam, is famous for the phenomenon of bird suicide. For over 100 years, every winter thousands of birds have committed suicide, the reason for which is still a mystery, truly bizarre. Next, the ever-burning lamp. A sacred lamp at a Vaishnavite monastery in Jorhat district has been recognized by the Asia Book of Records, as it has been burning continuously for more than 450 years. According to sources, the lamp was first lighted in 1528 in Dhekiakhua Bor Namghor and has been kept burning since then by the locals. Next, come and witness the barter system. A very lesser known but unique event takes place, Jonbir Mela, some 30 kilometers away from the Guwahati city at Dayang Belguri in Morigao district. The 3-day feast is unique in its own way, as it revives the obsolete concept of barter system. The festival is inaugurated by the king of the Tiwa tribe, and people exchange their agriculture and native products. Next, the famous Kamakhya temple. The Ma Kamakhya temple, situated at the Nilanchal Parbat in Guwahati, is one of the 108 Shaktipeeths. The Kamakhya Shaktipeeth is considered as the most powerful Shaktipeeth. Next, Asia's largest dry fish market. Asia's largest dry fish market is situated in Jagi Road, a place close to Guwahati. The market operates for 3 days a week and exports to countries like Malaysia, Bhutan, and few other southeastern countries. Next, the gateway to Northeast India. Assam can be called as gateway to Northeast India, as it is only state that is connected to Siliguri corridor via NH31. Next, Assam's iconic one-horned rhino. The largest of the rhino species, the greater one-horned rhino's shrinking population is only concentrated in the northeastern states of India, especially in Assam. One-horned rhino is also the state animal of Assam. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe.